Today we are making Southern barbecue sauce. This is my basic barbecue sauce for just about anything barbecue. It is delicious, it is downright Southern, and it is, just so flavorful. The biggest thing to me that I love about this is that it's got that mustard kick. I have a Dijon mustard that I'm going to pour right into the pot. I've got brown sugar, which is so good. I normally don't like sugar in my food, but y'all, it really brings out the flavor in the pork. I think the fat mixing with this sugar is just necessary. And then the salt, of course, which brings the sugar down a notch, and it just all plays together so well. So I have some prepared ketchup, and just use whichever is your favorite. All right, and so you can put cayenne in here. This is paprika. If you want yours a little bit spicier, or you can use Tabasco or your favorite hot sauce, which would be good. And then we have a little bit of onion powder. So here we go. And then we have some apple cider vinegar. So that goes in. It's going to give enough acidity to really balance this sauce out, and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, which I learned that is the correct way to say Worcestershire. Well, at least from my Brit friends. And they came over last week, and we had the best time. Yeah, it was my first time meeting them, but they're going to be lifelong friends to me. And I made everything Southern, all from my book, and I gave them all kinds of little appetizers of the different really, really Southern things in the book, and they really, really loved it. So that was so much fun. Okay, it looks like my barbecue sauce is made. All right. Here we go. Look at that. That is just so beautiful. Now, you know what? I did not add the salt. Let me add the salt. All right, here we go. And so I'm using about a teaspoon of salt and about a half of a teaspoon of pepper. Okay. I was about to taste it and see how, if the seasonings tasted right, and I'm like, I didn't even add salt tonight. Okay. Let me give it a taste. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Okay. Here you go. And that's what you need to do, is just always taste your food, and it will always be right. It will, I promise you. You just need to do that. Take a tasting spoon. When I was in a restaurant working in Alaska, they had these little spoons, and they had them over, I guess since COVID, they used to not worry about it. They just taste it. But then they had all these plastic spoons in a big box over next to the stove, and they were passing them out constantly. Hand me a spoon, hand me a spoon. And that's the way you know that your food is good. All right. Well, there you go, y'all. This Southern barbecue sauce is perfect for just about everything. I even put it on my salads. So you can find this at my website at stacylynnharris.com, or in my new book, Love Language of the South. I hope you'll order it. The link is in the text. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here.